Hi AppSec engineers. In this video, we'll show you how to set up single sign-on or SSO with AppSecEngineer through an integration with Okta as an identity provider. We're starting off on the Okta dashboard. You need to head to the Applications section in the left menu bar and click on Applications. Here, you can search Okta's app catalog for the AppSecEngineer integration. For this demo, we're also showing you what happens if AppSecEngineer doesn't appear in the list when you search for it. If for some reason it doesn't appear in the list, go back to the Applications page in the left menu bar and click Create App Integration. Click the SAML 2.0 checkbox, hit Next, add the app name, and hit Next again. To fill in the fields on this page, you'll need the help of a team member at AppSecEngineer. We'll provide you with the single sign-on URL and the audience URI. Fill in the next few fields as shown here. Once you're done, click Next. Make sure you click the checkbox that says this is an internal app and then hit Finish. With this, you've successfully created the integration to AppSecEngineer. We'll require you to send us the metadata URL that appears here, which you can copy with a click. With that, the integration process is complete. Oh, and one more thing. Users are usually assigned automatically, but just to cover all our bases, we'll show you how to do that as well. Head back to the Applications page again, and you'll see the new AppSecEngineer app listed here. When you click on it, you'll see the list of users. Just click on the Assign button, and you can assign users as individuals or to groups. Now to finish off, let's try signing in to AppSecEngineer with Okta SSO. We'll open up a private browser tab, go to learning.appsecengineer.com and click on the option that says Sign in with Organization Login. Now enter your work email and click Continue. Sign in to your Okta account. Complete the two-factor verification step with the Okta Verify app, and you are good to go. With that, single sign-on for AppSecEngineer using Okta is up and running. If you have any questions, reach out to AppSecEngineer support or message us on the dedicated AppSecEngineer Discord server. Keep on learning!